All right, so I'm working on this airboat. I'm building a custom intake for it, and as you can see, the intake is angled up, and the customer wants the intake angled parallel with the seat. I can understand that. Looks a little better aesthetically. It fit up easiest this way, but we're gonna work on it and make them happy. So what I was dealing with was figuring out the angle difference between the seat parallel and whatever those things are doing now. I'm thinking, oh, I gotta go grab a tool, go grab a level or degree finder or something to measure that, and then I turn my big brain on and realize that the phone, in case you guys didn't know, iPhones have a measuring app and a level app. So I basically open the level app and set it on the pipe or near it and get the degree, get the angle, 22 degrees. So now I know I need to go cut a 22-degree piece of pie and slam that bitch in there. Some of you are probably gonna be like, duh, idiot, I knew that shit was in there all along. Years ago they added that. Well, I don't always think of shit like that, okay? So there you go.